YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we're going to do a flip through of our Flutter by Graphic 45 mini album. This is an 8x8 mini album. Excuse me. We'll get started. We got a door on the front. You can lift it with this handle or just from the side. Place a photo here and here. It turned out really cute. We got paper flowers in the corners, and then a bronze piece here. And we have our side panel. We put in some rhinestones here, a lady's mask on top of a paper flower. So I think turned out really cute. And here our back is plain. Open her up. You have a nice big photo area here. First page. We have a flip to the right. Then this flips to the left. Then this flips up. Like so. Lots and lots of photo areas. And we turn the page. Here we have a flip to the right. Then if you pull gently, it opens all the way up to expose two pockets. And then this cute little side panel here. We got a couple of tags in here. In the back you could put photos on. You can put them on the front as well. You can put small photos here on the pockets. I like that. Here we have a belly band page with a big tag. It's a bifold tag. A couple of little tuck spots. And then the bronze pieces here to frame out this piece here. Cute little embellishment there. Came from the paper pack chipboard piece. Then we have a simple pocket here with a couple of tags. Like so. We have a cute little pocket. This is like a belly band, but it's also a flip. And it's got a cute little pocket here on the inside. Then you have a couple of little pockets with tags here. All the little pockets have tags. Then these flip to the left. And then you have a nice big photo spot here. Turned out really neat. Our next page, we have double doors. They open up to the left and the right. And then these are little tuck spots that you could put a photo in. And of course the doors have pockets, which are nice too. Then we have a waterfall. This is with a band closure. And this has a cute little tag and pocket on top. And then underneath is also a little pocket or tuck spot. And of course you have each of your waterfall pages that fits lots and lots of photos. And of course we have some silver tone corner, I believe. I left them out for holding photos. Okay. The next page, we have two little pockets here and a big pocket here with tags. Get back in there. There we go. There's another tag. You can put photos on the back and on the front, or you can label them however you want. Oh, there we go. Another tag. Here we have another page. This one has a ribbon closure. And there's flips to the left. There's a pocket here and a pocket here. And you pull on it and it flips open to the right, making it one big photo mat for each of these pages. Yeah. Tie that down. There we go. Then we have another page. Flip that open. This page, this part here flips to the right. You have a tuck spot here with a little tag. Then you have a big tag here. Really cute. Turned out nice. Then you have two little itty bitty tags to go in our small pocket. That's always fun. Then we have a flip up here. And then a flip down here. Of course, along with more tags. It's a pretty day for January the 1st. No rain, which is nice. I'll put that in later. It's our second to the last page. We have 3 pockets with tags. Cute little tag there. Then you got a medium tag. Then you got a large tag. We used the edge punch on those. I think that turned out really pretty. This is a cute little page. We got a nice little closure on here. That flips up. You could put photos there. This flips down. Nice big photo mat here. And then these flip to the left and to the right. I think that turned out really cute. You think lots of work? Nah. It was not too bad. Not too hard to make. Maybe I won't do my closure so loose. Here we go. We'll just close her up like so. Then you have a nice big photo mat in the back. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please leave us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Have a great one. Bye.